we're going to get into Amazon and Biohaven in this video. Okay. Amazon, people are talking about it right now. Why? Because Amazon said, okay, we're going to give Alexa an overhaul here. Let's give Alexa a little update. Okay. With her little AI, a little AI update. Okay. So how do we feel about that? The market is liking it. And we're going to put on a monthly subscription price. I don't know how the consumers are going to feel about that, but the market is liking it. So right about now, let me just get my marker. Hold on. Okay, so you see how Amazon hit this purple line before in the past, okay? And it bounced off. That is the 50-day moving average. We're talking here on May 22nd. It's a Wednesday. Market is open already. It's 10 o'clock a.m., right? It bounced off here in the past. This time, okay, before, it went through. It broke through. So now we're here at this time, okay? We're right here live. This is the daily time frame. Over here, top left, it shows you daily time frame, right? So it looks like right here that we bounced. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Hold on. Can you see? It was red, green. This little candle here, it wicked down, but the buyers boarded upward, okay? And then now we're here on the daily time frame. So we kind of went boop, boop, like that. We're going upward. So hopefully Amazon continues to go upward. If we do, let me just show you on this. All righty. So now if we do, we're right here, $183. Okay, so we're here. How much can we gain? If we go back up, okay, see the floating blue box, the third line, 3%. So we can easily gain a nice 3%. Okay, you see the all-time highs here. Well, not the all-time, but it says $191, the highs. Okay, so we can go back up there, and we can gain 3%. All right, so now, why am I saying that? How far can we really drop? So when we look at risk to reward, we can go up like 3%, but how far can we really drop? If we drop to this level, $170, but I don't know. I mean, unless Nvidia really sells off and the market really sells off, but the Fed was speaking, everything seems just to be like ho hum, not really, doing anything much. So we didn't sell off yet or anything. If we went down to this level, that would be a drop of 7%. See the third line in that blue box. But I don't really feel like we're going to be doing that. Okay? I don't really feel like we're going to be doing that. So maybe, but you never know. You never know. But it kind of seems like we bounced up already. You never know. Maybe we'll go down a little bit more, but I still think Amazon has some more room to run upward. So I don't want to belabor that point and everything. So this is what I'm showing you because, especially when we look out, this Amazon has a nice chart. It's like, hey, love me, people. Nicely trending upward for the year. We had this dip right here. Yes, of course. But I mean, in general, hold on, let that line disappear. In general, it's going in a nice direction versus some stocks are going like this. And then if you bought here and now you're here, it's like you didn't even make any money. You wasted probably a whole year sometimes. So I don't like those kind of stocks. And so that's the news about Amazon. And then here for the year, see year to date, okay, 60%, we're up 60%. That's nice. That's nice. So once again, nice chart. So I like that. And I said, be careful because why? The Fed is speaking, so we're just going to give everything a little bit of time. This was yesterday. We had FMOC conversation. And then today at 2 p.m., they're going to have their minutes meeting. So, we're just being careful. Now, let's just keep moving on. Biohaven. Oh, yes. Don't we all love, when a stock is over here, okay, a nice outperform 10, okay, for the year up 133%. This chart, when I show you this chart, it's not the best of charts, but it's a little interesting here. So this is why it's on my radar. So now this is Biohaven. You could take your time to read about it and everything. Okay, they had FDA approval. That's nice. Sometimes people go for FDA approvals and never get approved. So you see here it says commercial stage biopharm company. It has a portfolio. It's helping to improve the lives of debilitating neurological and neuropsych diseases, including rare disorders. Nice. Okay. And then it's saying it had, like I said, FDA approval of this medication. What is that medicine for? Migraines. Everybody has a migraine every once in a while. Okay. Well, I only had one in my life, but by the way, my best friend, she does have migraines. So, this is something that people, are enduring. So when there's treatment, people want to, search it out. Okay. So they have this medication. So just, you can look into that. So let's just move on here to the chart. It's not the best charts of all time. It's not. No, it's not. But it does have a little something going on. I'm gonna show it to you on the other chart. All right, let's just pull up the other one. Okay, go here. All righty. All right. Okay, so. Okay, and of course, all the charts move differently a little bit, right? Okay, so now the point is, wait, let me just move it. All right, here on the daily time frame. Okay, now the price, we're at $38.89. Okay, so we're here, right? So what is the percentage if we go from here back up to the highs? Okay, third line in the blue box, 52%. And this is why Ms. Moneymaker's looking at it, okay? We have we could. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but we have a possibility of going up 52%. I like that. Okay. Versus how far will we go down? Okay. If we just go to this area. Okay. How low was that? Just give me okay. I'll go like that. Okay. How low was that? 13% down. Okay. If we just try to hit this red area. Okay. So 13. Okay. So 13% versus 50%. All righty. So that's why I'm like, okay, I'm just, I'm looking a little bit. So I just want to make sure I bring it to your attention. So buying on this orange support, that's nice. Okay, 200-day moving average. And we're above this 20-day right there, moving average. But you see this part right here? Okay, you have to get above that. So what price point is this? Okay, that's at the $45 area. We're going to have $46. We're going to have a little issue there. Alrighty. So you could always sell a little bit before you even get there. Okay. You could sell a little bit before you even get there. But my point is down here. Hold on. Sorry. Just give me a second. Down here and this area, buy zone. Sell, and you can sell a little bit here, let it break above, and then once you're clearly above here, then keep going off into the sunset. But when you get to this area too, okay, back here at that $60 level, think about, should I sell a little bit when I get here? Because we have resistance. Resistance is where people sell. I would be selling a little bit right there, okay? And then you can just hold some if you go above it and ride off into the sunset. Okay, on your brokerage's account, you could set a stop loss so you don't incur any losses. So I wanted to make sure you saw that there. Okay, for the year, what are we up? $141 for the year. So this is why, I'm looking at it and everything. And okay, so this is 11 analysts. Okay, what are they saying? This is what they're saying. 11 analysts. Look over here. So, but it hasn't been, life hasn't always been a rose garden here, okay? For the weekly, okay, but for the month and the 3 month, because he had to pull back down. But this is what I like. I like to buy on support. Buy on support. I like that. So yeah, the stock pulled down. Yes, I know it did. But this is when you buy on support and then you ride it up instead of buying all the way up here and holding it down and like, oh, why am I so red? Your account's red. Buy on some support. This is why you watch the videos and then hold up here. This is why the majority of my portfolio is always green because strategically buying, okay? Strategically buying. So I wanted to make sure I brought this, out to you so you can see it. Alrighty. So here we go. I hope you like this information. If you do, click like, click subscribe. It helps the channel grow, you know. And then, you know what Nelson Mandela said? It always seems impossible until it's done, people. It always seems impossible until it's done. So, hey, let's see. I mean, I don't know. But, you know, maybe we'll see. You know, these biofarm stocks, they could be finicky sometimes and everything. But, you know, this percentages over here, alrighty, that does look a little good. So we'll see. Click like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.